Are you looking for an easy way to track time for multiple team members in one dashboard? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few minutes so you can keep everything organized, streamline your workflows, and increase productivity. By the end, you'll have a simple, effective way to manage your team's time all in one place, no matter how big your team is. And stick around until the end, because I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial for the software I recommend. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why tracking time for multiple team members in one dashboard is essential. Managing multiple team members can get chaotic, and if you're trying to juggle different systems or methods, it can easily lead to mistakes or inefficiencies. Having one centralized dashboard to track everyone's time is a game changer. It allows you to monitor progress, ensure accurate billing, and improve overall team accountability. Now, let's jump into how you can track time for multiple team members with ease. The software we're using today makes it simple to set up a dashboard where you can monitor the time of each team member in real time. You can assign tasks, set time limits, and track everyone's progress in one unified space. To get started, simply log into the software and create a new project. Once you've done that, invite your team members to join the project. The software will prompt you to assign tasks to each member and set specific time limits or deadlines. Each team member will then log their hours directly into the dashboard as they work on their tasks. What's great about this software is that you can also view detailed reports for each team member. This means you'll be able to see who's on track and who might need some extra help. You can even break it down by individual task or project phase, so you can manage resources more effectively. Another key feature is the ability to track time manually or automatically. If your team prefers to track their own hours, they can simply log the time as they go. Alternatively, if you want to automate the process, the software can track time for you based on activity, so you don't have to rely on your team members to remember to log their time. One of the best parts of this software is its user-friendly interface. It doesn't take long to get the hang of it, and the dashboard is intuitive and easy to navigate. This ensures that your team can jump right into tracking their time without spending a ton of time learning a complex system. So by now, you should know that tracking time for multiple team members is all about centralizing the process and having the right tools in place to make it efficient. The software we're using today does just that, giving you a simple yet powerful dashboard to keep everyone on track. To get started, make sure to check the description below for your exclusive free trial to the software we've been using today. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. Key takeaway. The main takeaway here is that tracking time for multiple team members is best done when you have everything centralized in one dashboard. You need a tool that gives you full visibility into each team member's time and allows you to manage tasks and deadlines efficiently. To recap: 1. Set up a project and invite your team members. 2. Assign tasks, set time limits, and track time either manually or automatically. 3. Use reports to monitor individual performance and progress. And finally, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.